So after 23 is over, now it is the 1st January, and I am sure 1st January has entered of 24. Whatever you have done, that may be great, maybe great or maybe worst. In this in this video, I will tell about you what is the thing and you have to do, and what you have done, and what is the thing you have to complete within these days and this year is. So watch this video until I have not yet subscribing the channel and not following the pages. So subscribing and following me for more, since there are if this year the 1st January, from the 1st January the 24 started. After this, since this is the leap year and it is going to 366 days, so after the one day is over, it remain the 365 days. Once you are trying to work on your dream and dream, once you are trying to work on yourself, and even though you want to achieve it, is ready. Never ever remember the day and date, and what's the time is going on, what the time is passing, what happen with the time, why I am not getting ting the time, and why I am got forget that about the time once I try to remember. Once you are doing it, once you try to remember all kind of things and about the date and time, what are things that you cannot do at the moment, and if it come into it converted into a instant gratification, which destroy the all kind of energy. Once you try to bring it in from bring and for your energy for your goal, and after that it destroy you, and then it times to but recover maybe a 1 month or 6 months, it time got increased. The other people have at that moment, other people are destroying yourself by mental torturing, mental harassment, and harassment. Be careful. Self-defense is not a crime, and it's not under a crime. Self-defense is necessary. Once the torture may be done by the children, if it done regularly, it convert into mental harassment and destruction of a self harmony. So be careful what kind of, and even though the each, if one small stone throw on yourself, and each day, and with the constant speed, and kind of things. After that, so how to remove this? Removing the garbage, if it may not get, you may defend yourself by using the using any how medium. So after that, let's come into our point. After that, whatever you are doing, if you got converted into this mode, and if you are got to destroy yourself, then this is very bad things which will be happen. So now 24 is come, and what I have I have to do, and I have what is my new year or resolution, or what is the thing that I am going to do. I have nothing to do this, and what the promise, what the promise that I have made at my earliest life, and for that I am working on it, and whatever step that I have required, and require for it, I will take in each moment, and each moment and step. Once I got come into this stage, and I try to speed up the stage, speed up the speed up my velocity, so that I can reach early, and the gap between them is got decrease. And once I am on my journey, then I try to go with my along with my energy, and with my with myself. Never ever try to integrate integrated others with self within me. If it integrated, then I am going to destroy, and it destroy my brands. It destroy our originality and genuinity. Once I try to integrate the others, and this is the very bad. Once I it my mind is got integrated by the integrated try to integrated other, but I somehow from the environment where it is circulating, then it is going to destroy within myself. Once you got destroyed within in myself, when it direct show our effect on ourselves. So what the promise that I have done it, and I will try to make it. So one of famous quote of one of the most influential business tycoon of who have built this business from the sketch. The growth is life. That is the Dhirubhai Ambani, and once he started his business at the earliest of 80, 90, 80 to 80, then growth is life, and this is the basics principle. When principle of the growth. Once you are growing, then must be careful what are the where you are growing. If you are growing within the people buzz, within the negativity, and with negativity are trying to integrate with you, and if most of the people and within you beside yourself, then you other than all the people they are trying to put the negativity within yourself, or even though it is happening with me, then since I once got a chance, then I will uh, I will give I'll get relief myself from that, and once I will leave this place. And if you are growing the something other than what you are not want to be, and if it not about or about the business, or not in a business, then it is going to destroy you. So this is the basic principle of a principle that I have to be follow and each and every step. So be careful and be busy, and never ever invest yourself in the wrong people. And if you the negativity and wrong people are got invested, I have made another video how to get recovered, and watch my video so that you can get free from yourself. So next thing I have to do, I want to recover myself from the negative people, and I want to fully uh, converted myself. I tell when I try to encapsulate myself in the positivity of myself, and the positive or being alone, where there is only positivity. Once you are alone, there is only positivity, and the almighty grace are with you. So this is the things that which I am going to do, and I am trying to increase the my diversity energy at each moment. So what is your resolution, and what you are going to do? Be careful, and not even or if you are doing nothing and have to do something, never ever live within the people, in the wrong people, negative environment, negative any things. Be yourself, be alone, be a positive, and if you don't get any single money payment, then you can earn it within a few minutes. But if you get invest few 2 or few days in the negative people, then you may not get recover it from it by 1 year or 1 month. So this is the basic ratio which you have to be careful when you are in the starting point. So be start from the positive, be start with yourself, and only be positive, and not ever start anything once you are in the wrong people and negative. And if you are in the wrong people, try to go with the your positivity, and once the time you got and give the best with your energy, then it will help you to relieve of yourself from the negative. Once you go out from there, got financially independent, and you move independently, then move it and start your own journey. Once you are in the negative people and everywhere from the, once you come out when you go out for, leave your home, and everywhere they are trying to destroy you, destroy your mental balance, then this step, this is the place where you must leave it from it. Otherwise you never ever build your own empire. So this is the lesson that I have learned and from my life. And if I have not yet subscribing the channel, not following the pages, subscribing, following page, I'll meet in the next video.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है।
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ सूर्य नमस्कार करो या फिर अनुलोम विलोम, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
बात तो सही है।